Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today at Liz the Paper Project. Today I have a quick project share for you. I was inspired to make some really fun and lovely pieces using a few items that I've shown you before, but some new digitals that I got to play with. So, of course, everything I show you, you can make it however you want with your own supplies. I'm using these lovely images from Digital Collage Club. I have a coupon code and links in the description box below for you. And I love these little like animals with the Easter themed. I just had to make something with them. And I thought I would make something that you could easily put together as well if you wanted to. You know, if you wanted to make some quick crafts and you're not sure where to get started. So I start with this little card, and you can see here it has really easy pieces to put together. You don't need much. The image is already gorgeous, so I had to use this little chick. I don't know if you can see, I added a little sparkle to the cheeks and the inside of the flower. I used a polka dot paper also from Digital Collage Club. And then just for a little texture, I used this background from a previous unboxing that I shared with you from Kokorosa Studio. So here's the die that I used just as a background because I wanted to give it a little bit of, dimension. Of course, you can use anything, but I just wanted to show you how cute that came together. I added a little ribbon, and I wanted to do the brown cardstock on the back just to kind of go with the little distressed edges that the image has on the sides, which I really love. So next, you can see you can add any of the little images to it, which is super adorable. And so this is something you can easily put together. But of course, if you wanted to use some of the images I'm showing you from Digital Collage Club, I will link those below. This is the second card I made, and I think it's super adorable. Again, I just used a few pieces, as you can see. One of the beautiful images, the little bunny, I added a little sparkle to the cheeks again, and then to the flowers. I'm not sure if you can see those there. And then I added the polka dot, the pink and the yellow polka dot, again from Digital Collage Club, like as a nice, layering piece. Also to the back of the image, the little bow. And then again for texture, this really fun embossing folder that I used, also from Kokorosa Studio. You can see it in the black here, how it just really like stands out, and I absolutely love it. So this is what that looks like. And again, I have coupon codes and links for everything I'm showing you in the description box below. And if you wanted to see the unboxing for Kokorosa Studio, I will link that below as well. So again, the little bunny image has got a little bit of distressing, so that's why I used the brown cardstock for sort of the background, again for a little bit of layering there. This next card, it was so fun to put together. So I don't know if you saw that unboxing video, but it's this die that has all the little squares, and I wanted to know if they actually pop right out or if it was just like a layering piece that it had. And all the little squares actually pop out. So this is the die that I showed you before. And I was playing around with it, doing different papers and just trying to see if I could put like almost like a patchwork type of card together with paper. And I'm just going to show you, it has this lovely little stitch effect on each little square, which is so adorable. So I ended up using these hearts. They're from, I believe, Paige Evans. I thought it went well with the little polka dots, again from Digital Collage Club. And so each of the hearts already kind of came with the outline, and they just fit perfectly with this die set. So you can actually touch the texture of each little square if you wanted to. Here's the polka dot in yellow again that I added to, when I add my sentiment inside or what I want to write. And you can see how it's got a lot of distressing on it. I love this digital, especially because of the polka dots, the different colors, and the distressing that it already comes with. So that was the third little card. And then this piece here, which I was kind of interested in figuring out how it worked, again from Kokorosa Studio. It's supposed to be the wax seal. So this is basically what it looks like. So I used that little string, and this is what the wax seal is. I'm not quite sure why it pops out the center and the side as well. That does not make sense to me, but anyways, it looks fine. It came out cute. This is one of my own printables that I used. I distressed it and made it a little bit more vintage to look like a faux document. And I wanted to just show you what that die looks like on it. So I think that's it, my friends. I hope you've enjoyed this quick project share. I had fun putting these together. I did want to just quickly share them with you as I'm moving on to my next projects, but I love those little Easter themed pieces from Digital Collage Club. Like I said, I'll link them below. You can actually even fussy cut all these little things in there if you wanted to. I just love the different little animal images and all the different florals. I just think they're so adorable, so I had to use them and share them with you. Let me know what you think of the video. Did you enjoy it? Are you interested in making some? I would love to know. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'm coming back very soon. I'm working on a few tutorials for you, some really fun projects, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thanks so much for stopping by.